Hey everyone, in this problem we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1624, largest substring between two equal characters. Okay, in this problem we will be given a string S and we have to return the largest longest substring between two equal characters, excluding those two characters. If there is no substring, we can return -1. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Okay, so let's say we are given an example A, B, A, C. In this case, we have to check substrings between two equal characters. Let's say if it is AA or BB, like this. So in this case, these two characters are same. So the answer would be BC, which is of length 2. Let's take another example, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X. So in this case, what are the substring eligible for our answer? Let's say these two are the same characters, two substring length are between them. From this Z to this Z, we have two characters, two substring. From this X to this X, we have this whole string as a substring. So from first X to last X, we have a 5 character substring between these two. So which is the length is equal to 5. So that is going to be our answer. This is the longest substring between any two equal characters. Okay, let's say if we are given AA only. In this case, what is the length of that substring? First A is at 0 index, second A is at first index. The length of the substring between these two characters is empty string 1 minus 0 minus 1, because we have to include first and last character, exclude first and last character, which is of 0 length. So in this case, we will return 0 if the substring is xy. xy. No two characters are same. In that case, we are going to return -1 as per the statement. So how we are going to approach that? If we are going to check all the possibilities, let's say comparing each character with another each character, comparing this A with all of these, comparing this B with all of these, C with all of these, we are going to have n square time, which is not very efficient. Here, what we have to what we have to know here, what we have to know that we need to know the first occurrence of each character. And then while doing the iteration over the string, we can compare the current character and the first occurrence, and then we can figure out the length, and we'll keep on updating. Let's say we have A, B, A, C, A. For A, first occurrence is 0. For B, first occurrence is 1. For this A again, if it is already in the map, in that case we will check the length. This time I is equal to 2. 2 minus 0 minus 1. Because we need the substring between these two characters is equal to 1. So yeah, 1 we can compare it with the answer. We can have another answer variable. So now if it is at C, C is not already in the map, so we'll put C as 3 index as its first index. So A is already in the map. It means A has already come before. So first occurrence of A is 0. Now it is 4. So 4 minus 0 minus 1, which is 3. 3 length substring is there between A and A. So our answer now will be updated to. So we understood the idea behind this, that we are going to use hashing. For that we have to somewhere store the character and the first occurrence. of the character in the string. So for that, what you can take is you can take a map. Or I'm seeing that contains only lowercase English letters as per the constraints. If it is only lowercase English letter, it would go from A to Z. That is 26 in size. So for that, we can take a 26 size array to store the first index in the string. In this case, it would go O1 space. And for the time, we are iterating over S from first index to last index. That is O of N. So N square in the worst case, where if we use the brute force. So if we are going over this string in one iteration and storing the first occurrence, in that case we will be improving our time complexity to O of N. Let's quickly code this problem. Here what we have to do is we have to capture the first occurrence within this string and compare every subsequent character that we have already captured. So I'm iterating from 0 to L, 0 to N length. Let's say it is s dot length, and I will take a integer array to store the first occurrence, new int 26, because it's lowercase English letters. Let's also take a answer variable -1 if we are not able to capture that. Let me take this integer wrapper class instead of primitive integer, because I will be comparing null check. If hash, before that let's capture the character. Character ch is equal to s dot char at I hash ch minus a. So we are going to store a at 0 index. If equal to null, it means if it is null, it means we have the first occurrence and we have to capture that in our hash. So hash of this is equal to I. Else we will update our answer and return answer. If we are in the else case, it means this is not the first time we are experiencing this character. So for that, answer is equal to math dot max answer. Here the current occurrence is this minus first occurrence, sorry, current occurrence is I minus this is the first occurrence minus 1, because string substring between those two characters. Okay, now we have captured the substring. If we are encountering the second times, ultimately we are returning the answer. Okay, let's try to run our sample test cases. Submitting the problem. Submitted successfully. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you guys.